Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 transurfing techniques that can literally shift your reality. These aren't just ideas, they're powerful tools from Vadim Zeland's Reality Transurfing that can change your life. Let's begin. Technique 1. The principle of coordination of intention. Instead of controlling the world, coordinate your intention with it. This means staying calm and centered, even when things seem to go wrong. Because what seems bad might actually be taking you exactly where you need to be. The world reflects your inner attitude. Trust the flow. Practice responding with neutrality when something bad happens. Say, "This is good for me, even if I don't understand how yet." Technique 2. Reducing importance. The more importance you give something, the more likely you'll sabotage it. Transurfing teaches that excess potential distorts reality. Want something, but don't put it on a pedestal. Stay calm, natural, and unattached. Mentally, lower the stakes before a big event. Say, "It's okay either way." Technique 3. Slide visualization. A slide is your preferred life scene. You imagine it as if it's already happening, but without obsession. Just calmly tune into that version of reality, like selecting a radio station. You're not forcing the dream, you're aligning with it. Visualize daily for 5 to 10 minutes in a relaxed state, feeling as if you're already there. Technique 4. Rejecting the pendulums. Pendulums are energy structures that feed on your attention. When you argue, obsess, or stress over something, you feed it. Instead, starve negative pendulums. Stay aware and emotionally detached from draining situations. Notice when something steals your energy. Just say, "Not my script," and walk away internally. Technique 5. Choosing your layer of reality. You don't fight reality. You shift to a different one. There's always a parallel version of your life where you're already thriving. With consistent inner alignment, thought, action, and emotion, you glide into that reality naturally. Use intention every morning. Today, I move to a better life track. Feel it. Walk in it. These 5 transurfing techniques aren't just theory. They're keys to aligning with your highest potential. Which one spoke to you the most? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into reality transurfing. Until next time, choose your reality wisely.